Okay, welcome to some Torah, some Jewish wisdom from Svat Israel. So, from my perspective, and I've kind of researched a lot, the deepest truth is Lubavitcher Rebbe. And I've said this many times, but you can never say the truth enough. In fact, the Rebbe never tired to say it. He basically, the last 4 years of his talk, said the same thing over and over and over again in different words. And it boils down to a simple idea. Why did God make the world? He made the world because he loves us. Now, when you love someone, you do two opposite things. You give them freedom of choice because you care about them. If you impose your will on someone, that is tyranny. That is using someone. If you love someone, you give them the space to mess up. But that's not what you want. Like I like to say, freedom of choice ultimately is there to lead you to choose freely. Again, freedom of choice is there to lead you to choose freely. What does God really want? He wants us with every fiber of his soul to choose to listen to him. Not because he needs us to listen to him, because he loves us so much and he knows that his advice is best for us. Imagine a computer made a baby computer. And it says, I'm giving you freedom of choice. You can listen to all the crazy people in the world, everybody that's got a YouTube channel. But the bottom line is, what does the computer really want? It says, Dad, I figured out that you're the smartest one. I want you to tell me what to do. And the Tati computer says, thank you so much for coming to me. My whole life, I was waiting for you to come to me to realize that I have the wisdom. Now, it's not that I need you to listen to my wisdom. It's that I love you so much that if you listen to my wisdom, it's going to be good for you. And that's what I want. I want it to be good for you. And that's literally what this world is. So we'll conclude with, I've said it many times, but again, we're saying again, something that changed my life. I was on Toward a Meaningful Life. 365 meditations. All you need to do is ask God what to do. And the first thought, not an emotion, but the first thought that comes to your mind is his reply. And this is something, many religions say, okay, you got to get to heaven. This is something you can try right now on earth. How do you know it's true? If it works. What's the scientific proof that something works? It works. If you can ask God and you take his advice and it actually works for you, it's a sign that it's true. Something can't consistently work and not be true. So God is here. We're in the Messianic era. We're in the times. Please God, God will, destroy Amalek, the evil people that want to just kill and wipe out. And unfortunately now it's an Arab terrorist and it's just sick what's going on with holding hostages and murdering. And then, please God, the hostages will come free and Mashiach will come now. Okay, I see I went over the 3-minute mark, so I don't have to close it off in 3 minutes. But basically, what's the final conclusion? And that we'll have the resurrection of the dead, all the Jewish dead that passed away and that died for being Jewish, all the tzaddikim, in fact, the good Gentiles are going to come back to life. I recently learned something really amazing, which is that it says Hanar ben Meah that the only people that will pass away will be like a young person that will pass away will be 100. And then I knew that it does say that doesn't mean a Jew. The Jews will live forever. It means a Gentile. But then I learned that no, it doesn't even mean a Gentile. Even the good Gentiles will live forever. It just means that he could have what's called a Yerida, maybe fall down from his high level. But otherwise, everybody's going to keep on ascending higher and higher.